Ana, day, kung imong life i-base nimo sa movies, unrealistic kayo. No? Tuling gyapon ka. So, ako, I said this before, 0.3 milliseconds. Robot pasabot ani day, kung atang-atang kasi ang reply, murag kag iro, nag-atang niya. Wa kay life? No? Ako di sa ko mo reply anang tao nga walay life. Oh my God, Sydney, no. You're so lucky that you had maths already. But when I did it, my body was bruised. Like, my hips, my back, my stomach, everything was bruised. Dahil nga, di man kumusugot dahil. It's her life. Di man ako yung nagkatag-iya niya, no? Ay. Ma-heartbroken ko. Mas magsakit pag kumabiyaan kong Jasa kaysa mabiyaan kong Lucky. But dawaton, dahil. Ako aday ka ng acts of service. Ginang kong effort. Di ba, gwapa kay ka. In demand. Gwapa kay ka, di ka ba mo huna-huna, no? Di ka huna-huna block, day. Sama na yung cellphone, day. Analog pa na, day. Always keep in mind that shit happens. You know, you don't always get what you want. You should have read more books. But, no, continue what you're doing. YOLO. Enjoy. And learn. Yun ang magiging anak, day. Pambati rin ng naong, pang-insecure, pang-praning. Wadyo ko kaagian na. Never. Lang, day, kay, based on imong question, oh, distract na ka, na ka excuse, distracted kay ka. No? So, storya na lang ta, o di na ka mo make of excuses, no? Lisod. Okay na feel, day, kay bisag normal ko, nagpa-epidural man ko. Anak dyan ko sa akong doctor, I do not need any more pain in my life. Mix, ay kuglabda. It's because of how I was raised and di ra ako, even my siblings, masamot pa kaway pakin ako. So, you know, it's not me, it's the environment that we grew up. Di kalit siya burot, day, na masiya mga sanina, nga pang 3 years old, di na igo. Di ba takatug mo, makapili-pili. Okay, COVID lagi. So, karon namin naka-realize, 2 weeks ago, nga pang 5 dadi ay siya. Sure dahil mong ba na nagkaingon sa tingali o saman ko pataka mo kong pilig asawa pataka kong pilig asawa nga di kibang pili.